Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a really good day. But for today, I'm gonna do a haul video, a clothing haul video. I mean, my first clothing haul video. And I decided to do it on Rainbow because I've ordered from them before, a couple of times before. So I like their clothes, and I also like it because it's really affordable. Okay, I would say Rainbow is like the equivalent of Ross. If you're shopping at Ross, Didi's, I say the quality is the same, and of course the price is it's really affordable. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you some pieces that I recently got. I do have the bag here from Rainbow, and this just came in on Saturday, but I did order some things like 2-3 weeks ago, so I'm gonna show you some of that stuff too. I also have the prices, so I'll be showing you the prices. So yeah, so let's get started. And I'm gonna get started with the stuff I just bought actually. So, and some of them are basics. A lot of them are just basics because that's basically what I need. But I'm gonna kind of tell you why I got most of them basics. But I got this pretty shirt. It's just like really flowy, and I thought it would be like really nice. Well, first maybe I should start with this sweater. I'm gonna start with this sweater because this sweater is came in on that order that I did like 2-3 weeks ago. So it's a hoodie. It's a hoodie, and it's like cropped. It's a cropped sweater. I basically got it for the gym. That's what I got it for. I mean, once once they open again and we're allowed to go out, so I basically got it to go to the gym. Because it's really thin and it has a hoodie. Once it starts getting a little bit colder and stuff, I like to take a sweater. So, and that's what I got it for, or to lounge around here at the house. It's nice. Anyways, I also got this shirt. It's really thin and like really airy, super thin, and I just like the detail right here in the middle. You see that detail? I don't know what you would call this, but I really like the detail in the middle. So got that, and that was, let me check because I do have the prices for everything on here. That top was, it's a size small, and oh, it's a crochet cami, crochet cami, and it's a small, and it was like $5.39, so it's like $5. So it's $5-6. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you, some of these are sweaters, okay? So I didn't just purchase like spring stuff or summer stuff. It's all mixed. This one is this other sweater, it's a small. Also, I got it in a small, and it's super soft. I like how soft it is. It's really warm. Of course, it's not for right now. It's gonna be like for fall or winter because it's a little bit thick, but it's really warm, and it feels really soft too. So I liked it. I just like the mustard color or yellow color with the white stripe. And this was this was $5.84. So this sweater was also like $5-6. So it was really good. And let's see what else I have in here. Like this one is just like this one is just a basic dress. You see, it's really long. I think it's up to your knee. I think that's the length of it, up to your knee. So it's pretty. Yeah, it's nice. It's thin. It's airy. So it's perfect for me. It's perfect. I wanted these type. I like these type of dresses, and like the simple camis that I got, because I pair them with like cardigans or kimonos. And I'm thinking of actually doing another lookbook with some of these pieces, like to show you how I would style them, because that's what I want all these basic pieces for. So the dress was $7.19 and it's a small. And some of these things were on sale, and I think some of these things were on sale, and then they were giving like 10% off extra, even of the stuff that's already on sale. So I mean, it's pretty good. And then I got, I mean, if you know me, I don't really shop regular prices a lot. I wait for sales or stuff like that. That's when I buy stuff. Because who doesn't want to save money, right? I mean, in this one, it's a medium. I haven't tried it on, but I'm hoping if it's from here, because I mean, like, these are not, you know, like big, so I don't know if I'll fill them in from the top. But I mean, they didn't have a small. This one's a medium, but it has like square top from the neck from here, and it's a little more crop top that I saw in the picture, but we'll see how it looks once I try it on. And it was $4.49. This one, like I said, it's a medium. So I hope it fits. At least from the bust area, I hope it fits. And then here's another cami, which I also wanted to pair with the cardigan that I have. So I wanted a nude one, because I have a lot of camis. I mean, because they're really, really good basics. You could pair them with anything. But I don't really have like a nude one, like a nude khaki color, you would say. But I mean, it's just super long. Probably, I mean, it's a small, but it's very, very stretchy. That's why I got it in a small, because these are usually really stretchy. And the only thing is that it's super long. I don't know if you can see that it's super, super long. So I would probably have to go get it hemmed, because I'm short. So yeah. But yeah, and that is it for the stuff that wasn't this bad. Now the stuff that I got like a few weeks ago, like I said, it's this sweater. It's a cute sweater that I really, really like, and it's not warm, so it's like even perfect for right now, because it's kind of cloudy outside and it rained yesterday, so it got kind of chilly again. So some of the other stuff that I got in the like 2-3 weeks ago, I ordered this sweater. Oh, by the way, did I say the price for the cami? The cami was $3.59. The cami, this cami, it was $3.59. Okay, so yeah. And this sweater, it's super, super nice. I liked it. I don't know if you would say it's distressed or something, because I don't know if you can see that from here. You see it has these little things on the side, like almost like pooled. So to me it looks like it's distressed. And it also has it at the bottom. So it's a really, really pretty sweater. See? And oh, it also has it at the sleeves. I didn't even notice that. Look. So it's pretty nice. It's just a great color. This sweater was $4.31. So I mean, it's pretty nice, pretty thick and warm. So it's gonna be really warm, like for fall and winter, because it's pretty thick and warm. So I like it. And then I also got this set. It's a set, but they sell them separate, so it's 2 prices. And I've purchased some of these sets before. Like I think I purchased 3 of them last year. So, and they're really nice. I like them. They're like sweats. or joggers, or I don't know what you would call these, just sweats with pockets. So yeah, and they're really nice. They're not super warm, so you could like wear them around that time when, you know, like when it's starting to get cool again. When it's starting to get cool and when it's barely starting to get hot, like, you know, they're not super warm, so they're will definitely not keep you warm in winter, but you can still wear them. But they're nice for that transition period between like fall and summer and like winter and spring, I guess you would say. So yeah, and then the sweater, it's this one. It's a hoodie and it has pockets in the front. So it has pockets. So it zips up. It zips up and it's a nice hoodie, and I really like these. I like these. They're really nice to like lounge around the house and stuff. So see? And that's a hoodie. And both of these are in a small. And I believe this sweater was 809. The sweater was 809 and the sweats were 1169. So I mean, they're pretty affordable. I mean, to me that's really good. So yeah, can't wait to wear this one. I'll probably start wearing it soon because I mean, sometimes it rains, so it gets like chilly outside. So it's something like this. It's nice for that. And it's pink. It's like a really mauve, pretty pink. So that is it for this video. I mean, it's a pretty short video just because I did purchase quite a few things. Like I said, I purchased more stuff from them before. Like last year, I purchased 3 sets of these. I purchased a navy. I think that I had it in a navy, a yellow, and a burgundy. Those are the ones that I have. Besides this one, so now I have a pink one. So that is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this rainbow clothing haul, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions about any of these pieces. But I will be linking them down below in the description box. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.